Now that one's different.
That's like a little oil spots in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna talk to you about that right now.
Yeah.
What did I do, right? Trying to fix
Is it you trying to do it, or?
That's
Oh.
me. That's me trying to fix it.
20? Oh, that's what happened. Okay.
Trying to get it to mix.
Oh,
now,
got it. Okay.
Mixed, but it made it frothy.
Yeah.
So if it's in an opaque bottle, it wouldn't matter. But if it was in a clear bottle, it would matter.
Yeah. So when you try to make the fragrance, okay, well, I want to like fragrance to look clear. I want fragrance to look clear but pink. I want fragrance to look clear but green, fluorescent, whatever you want. You know, we can actually get the fragrance to do that. In order to do this particular one, you need to actually understand the full ingredients in it. So the person who actually made the fragrance probably in this one probably has a little bit of water. That's why it actually started to emulsify. Distilled water. So basically,
it's separated, and this was me trying to get it to mix.
Yeah, so that's what actually happened. We can actually fix it right away by using Perfumers Magic again, like immediately. I can actually show you do this like immediately.
Yes.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and fix this. I'm just gonna go ahead and like do a quick version. So we're gonna do like a Perfumers Magic. And what we do is we're just gonna add it directly to this.
Okay.
And when you're gonna add this in here, what we will see is gonna turn clear. So what we do, we just add it in here.
Because
you want me to fix it?
Crazy. No, she was saying she thinks she needs something too. And she's in South Carolina.
Oh, well, that's later. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and like add this to it.
Lord have mercy.
And it should start to clear up.
I see it already.
And should do that. Yeah, it's getting clear, but we probably will have to add more.
See it.
Yeah.
Have to keep going. It really is.
Here we go.
Yeah, it no longer looks like a Starbucks drink.
The perfect explanation.
Yeah, there we go. So it's like a little milky. We can still add more, but it's going to go ahead and like lower the concentration of your fragrance. Mm-hmm. So I don't want to do that. But at least now it looks like a sky blue color.
I'm okay with that.
Actually, we can go further down and then make it even more better. No, but at the end, we're going to add like a few drops of Sweet Scent Booster too. Yes. So we're going to see like, hey man, can we fix it? Or we need to go ahead and add a little bit of fragrance to it.
Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm happy with that.
Yeah. So that's good. Now we just need to probably add a little bit in there.
Yeah, I heard you.
Go clear.
I asked him just a second.
Yeah. So yeah, probably that's like, oh yeah, okay, it's going.
It is.
This is it.
You can get this thing clear. Do you hear me?
Yeah, it's clear now.
Clear, yeah.
There we go. It's pretty much, if you put a little bit more, you can, but I think this is like a,
Oh, yeah.
There we go. It's done. Cleared, all done. No more issues. So the fragrance is good now. She can actually go and use this. It works with Perfumers Magic. Good job.